Now this is the amp, and to my understanding, my car has the individual system or individual audio system. This amp, believe it or not, is super expensive. It is over $1,000 brand new. That is a lot for an amp. And I don't actually know what that is. Yeah, we may have to play around with that and see if we can't fix the audio in this car. Be great to maybe have a little more bass. All highs, all highs. All right, welcome back to another day. And we've had several days actually of PB Blaster sitting on that hub. And you know what? I decided for what's happening here in the next week or so, that is going to be just too much work for both sides. And it's really going to limit the timeline that I have of trying to make this event that I plan to share with you all very soon. So I've done a little homework and I have gone out and acquired a Dremel. Hard to see with the mask on and the glasses on. Oh, so that's a good start. But I need a little bit more. So we probably can get it right here, right where it actually, the caliper chewed through it to begin with. So we'll go there. Let's see how much further we can get. That'll probably clear us pretty good. I managed not to be recording when I finished that piece, but let's see if we can maneuver. Oh man, getting this off. Here are we a success. All right, for anyone that's wondering why I didn't just pull the hub off, number one, that's going to require work. Two, this is not like the front. So we are on the rear of the M3. The front is different. Even just looking at the front hub from here, that lets you know you don't have a hub bolt in there. You've got the hub connected to the knuckle. Even if I was able to crack the axle nut, we still would have to pull the hub from the axle. So it is connected to that, and that's going to require work. It's going to require a puller. And for me to do that, I would need to do it on both sides. And to be honest, if I'm going to do that, I'm going to go ahead and replace the bearing, the wheel bearing. So it doesn't make sense to pull that out and not do the wheel bearing. And then I am going to have to press that in. That kicked my butt. That kicked my butt. The springs, it's not even the top spring that bottom spring, whew, that takes some work to get on there, but both sides are done now. And I actually had to redo the other side because when I went back looking at the original photo, the way this guy is turned in there, it seemed like it could go either way, but I didn't want to run into any problems with this not actuating correctly because it's pulling to the wrong side. So I had it like this on that side. Originally it's in like this, so it pulls and actuates like that, but I had it like that. So just in case, I didn't want no problems. Now my hands are dirty again, and I'm trying to eat my little Kellogg's pastry crisp. I guess I just have to do it with like that. You'll know in a moment why I tore down the trunk. So we've got some bump stops here. Of course, we've got some brake caliper, the carrier bolts. We are going to replace all of those. That is what got us in this place in the first place. And shock absorbers, if that didn't give it away already. And another, I want to say a bump stop. So hopefully I've got the right stuff because I ordered what it said for EDC. Look, these dampers are worn, and if I'm seeing correctly, they definitely are leaking by that trail there. And we're talking 170,000+ miles. So if these are the original shocks, the original dampers, it is time to go. Yes, we have